Instanet Solutions. I want to thank you for joining me for this Instanet Forms Online Lite How Do I series. This segment, how do I find a saved or completed form? So from our Instanet Forms Online Lite homepage, from the homepage of our Instanet Forms Online Lite account, I am going to click on the forms. We're going to find a form, an individual form that we created within our individual form library. We've opened our form library. We see the forms in alphabetical order. We can search for our form by the form name. We can search particular folders for a form. In this example, we're going to take a look at the buyer agreement, that exclusive buyer agent. We'll look at the folder here on the far left column. I want to point out that by hovering my mouse on that folder, the folder illustrates that it has forms in it, and as hovering will signify that it contains forms as well, as opposed to the form above it, which is empty, has no saved versions or completed versions of that form. Our buyer agreement does contain those forms. I click on that form name or that form folder to open that folder and see my completed versions. I can re-access the completed version of my online form. I can open it again in Forms Edit mode. I can create a new version of this standard form. I can email the selected form outbound. I can start a new transaction or attach this form to a selected transaction. So I can take those opportunities to move this individual form into a transaction file or start a new transaction file from it. From this I would like to drop down menu, I can take actions to work with my saved or completed form. I'd like to thank you for joining me for this Instanet Forms Online Lite How Do I series. This segment, how do I find a saved or completed form? And until we webinar again, I hope you have a tremendous, tremendous day.